Are you guys also interested in such cool technical videos? If yes, then you gotta subscribe this channel because I'm going to upload such technical videos every week. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out any such cool stuffs. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Saksham and today we'll be doing unboxing video of this gimbal, okay? As you can see here, this is the box of this gimbal and it's called 3-axis handheld gimbal for smartphones, okay? And it's only made for smartphone, not for cameras like DSLR, so you can only connect your smartphone in it. And this gimbal is very cool, okay? It also has its own app which is for Android and iOS. As you can see, its box, it can do horizon and portrait mode, panorama, face tracking, adjustable arm, time lapse, and up to 12-hour runtime, okay? So once its battery is full, you can charge it and use it up to 12 hours, okay? And then its battery will be finished, you have to again charge it. And here is manual zooming and real-time charging also. So these were the functions and now let's unbox it and see some other functions, how to operate it, how it looks, and how to connect it app. Everything I will be showing in this video. So let's start. Okay, so now let me show you how to connect the app of this gimbal to this gimbal and how to use its other functions like clicking the shutter, zooming in out, and any other things, okay? So first of all, let us open our app. But before that, what we have to do is we have to connect this smartphone here, okay? Or else when you will turn on your gimbal and your smartphone to connect the app, then this gimbal will vibrate a lot and you can't connect it, okay? You can't put your mobile over here because it will be very hard. So first of all, what we have to do is you have to keep your mobile over here. So due to this, my mobile won't fit in the gimbal, so I'm going to take it out. Okay, so now we can keep it in our gimbal. Okay, here we will keep it like this and push it down. Okay, now we have to check whether it's balancing or not, okay? As you can see over here, it's tilted little bit that side, okay? It should be perfectly like this straight. As you can see over here, it should be like this straight, but it's tilted like this. So for that, what we have to do is we have to lose this screw and then pull it little bit front. Okay, now little bit more front. Okay, now it is little bit tilted next side, so little bit back, and now I think it is going to be perfect. Yeah, okay, now it is perfectly balanced. As you can see, before it was like this tilted, but now it is balanced, okay, perfectly. So in this way you have to adjust it, as I already said. Now what we have to do is, first of all, we have to turn on our gimbal, okay? First of all, you click for 3 seconds, 1 2 3, and now our gimbal is on. And now what we need to do is we have to turn on our smartphone, okay? So let me show it to you. First of all, we'll turn on our smartphone. As you can see over here, I have turned it on. After turning our smartphone on, what we need to do is go to the app, okay? Here, this is our app, Gimbal Pro. So first of all, we will click on this. And here, for opening this app, first of all, what you have to do is turn on your Bluetooth and location, okay? If you want to turn on your Bluetooth and location, then this app will not work. So first of all, turn that on and click on find device, okay? And as soon as you will click on find device, it will automatically come the name of your gimbal, and the name of my gimbal is stabilizer and some numbers, okay? So I'll click on that and I guess the camera will open. Okay, so it is connected, as you can see over here. Okay, here, this was the box of the gimbal, okay? As you can see here, now the camera and the gimbal is connected, and this is the interface of the camera's app of the gimbal, okay? So now what you can do is, when you will click the shutter button in this side, then it will automatically click photos. As you can see here, the sound came and the photo is also clicked, okay? And you can also view your photos over here, okay? So this was the photo which I clicked just now here, as you can see. Okay, so in this way you can click photos, okay? You can again enter the camera here. Okay, so this was our camera's app 1. And next thing what you can do over here is, here, yeah, you can zoom also, okay? Now for that, what you have to do is, just now as you can see, I have zoomed, I zoomed it, and I unzoomed it again. So how am I doing that is in this sideways in this gimbal, as you can see here, here is this button to zoom and unzoom, okay, here in this button. So when you will pull this button downwards, then it will zoom. As you can see here, it is zooming. When you will pull this button upwards, then it will not zoom, it will unzoom, okay. And then these were two functions, and this was the shutter button for clicking the camera's photo. And now in this app, if you want to switch on the video mode, then here it is, okay. Now it is in camera mode, here you can see. Now you have to pull it down and it is in video mode, okay. Now in video mode also you can zoom and do everything here, as you can see. And then you can use the shutter button to on the video, and after finishing a recording you can turn it off, okay. So it will be very helpful. And here are some other functions also, like lightning adjustment and grid, flashlight, white balance, filter, everything, okay. And you can also turn it on selfie mode, so you can click your photos. Here is the gallery, and here you can choose the quality of recording, okay. And here are some settings. So this much was the function of this gimbal and its app. I hope you like it, the function of the gimbals, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will also show you now one video which I recorded with this gimbal, okay. I will also show you how I recorded a video, like how I moved the gimbal sideways, up, down, but also the video was completely straight, okay. So I will also show you that, okay. So as you can see in your screen, this video, this right side video, I had clicked with the gimbal, as you can see how straight it is. And in this left side, this video, you can see that how I had clicked the video, how I am moving the gimbal sideways, up, down, everything, but also the video comes out to be very straight, okay. So now according to that, you can guess how the gimbal is made. It is so perfectly made and it suits the video very well, so you can also buy it. And if you like the gimbal and its stableness, then I will also post the link in the comment box. You can buy it, and its price also I will put it in the comment box and description box. Please check it out. Okay everyone, so as you can see, this gimbal was very nice. It has many functions and its app was also very easy to use. It can shoot very cool photos and videos, that also very straight, okay. I already showed you the demo how it will shoot, even though I moved this gimbal very up, down, left, right, everywhere, but it shooted very straight photos, okay. So this gimbal was very nice, and if you are interested in buying this gimbal, then I will give the link in the comment box and its price also, you can check it out. And thank you for watching.